Rodrigo Roa Duterte!
Yeah! Isang malakas na sigaw! We are our incredible resilience as Davaoenyo, the unwavering spirit of standing together as one. Together we are Davao. Together we are unstoppable. 88 years strong, one Davao and going strong.
Isang malaking sigaw!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Doon sa mga nagsasabing tiwasay at tahimik pang mamuhay ngayon dito sa Pilipinas, nako, paano nyo nasabi? Gusto nyo ng resibo? Eto, panoorin ninyo.
Sa perwisyo ng buhay ng mga terorista sa Mindanao. Ito na ang pinakamataas na bilang ng pulis.
Saan nyo gustong magsimula? Sa Davao? Sige, tignan natin kung ano nangyayari sa Davao. Eto, panoorin natin.
President Rodrigo Roa Duterte!
Yeah! Isang malakas na sigaw! We are our incredible resilience as Davaoenyo, the unwavering spirit of standing together as one. Together we are Davao. Together we are unstoppable. 88 years strong, one Davao and going strong.
Isang malaking sigaw!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
We have our former Mutyan ng Davao, Hannah Vaz Bishop! At sino naman ang nagsabing walang supporter? Si Tatay Digong!
O, iba!
Tatawa-tawa pa ang nagsabing walang supporters? Sinong supporters niya? Papayag ba kayo doon? Hindi ito edited! Hindi na kayang i-edit ang dami ng tao sumusuporta sa kanya! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat!
At habang naglalakad tayo, isigaw na natin ang nasa loob natin!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Ang sigaw ng mga Davaoenyos ay...
We will never get tired until you are home in Davao! Tatay Digong!
We are waiting for your comeback time! Mabuhay ang Davao! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong mataganinang adlawon just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th araw ng Davao. This is a very special moment for everyone.
Today, we made a history that the people will never forget! Today is the day when the world will never forget who we stand for as Davaoenyos! Hiyaw! Tawid si Tatay Digong! And who are we standing for?
Duterte! Duterte!
Tapos puso po natin ginagawa to. Walang bayad, tama?
Tama!
Mayaman tayo!
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
If only you could see yourselves from our point of view, this is a very emotional moment for us.
Hindi ito edited! Ganito kami kalaban! We love you, Tatay Digong! Hihintayin namin ang pag-uwi mo para naman ka namin!
Ibalik sa Pilipinas si Tatay Digong! We stand with FDRRD! If only Tatay Digong could see this, kahit man lang sa video. But I'm sure the spirit that we have here right now is radiating all the way to the Hague, Netherlands. And we are really praying for the immediate release of our Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat na Bowenyo. Ang haba pa nito. More than 3,000 of you shouting the same name.
Alam niyo ba, hindi lang sinasabi nila na ito yung mga ordinary citizen ng Davao City or ng Davao. Ayun po ay sinasamahan din kahit yung mga milyonaryo kasama nyo ngayon. May mga 10 sasakyan kasama nyo ngayon. Yung mga nakatira dyan sa Bolivar sama-sama ngayon. Yung nakatira doon sa Kapantian kasama nyo ngayon. Sama-sama tayong lahat para kay Tatay Digong. Mahirap, mayaman, nagkaisa para kay Tatay. So, hindi totoong walang nagmamahal kay Tatay Digong. Totoo ba walang nagmamahal sa kanya?
Ang daming nagmamahal hindi lang dito sa Davao, but also in the different parts of the world kung saan merong Pinoy. Barangay 23-C joins the Solidarity Walk for FPRRD.
Barangay 14-B Community.
We call for justice, we feel for our beloved and respected former president.
Eto barangay namin, Barangay Alfonso Angyong, mga senior! Mga kabarangay! Barangay Sansa, Lea, mga barangay mo! Mga taga Sansa, mag-ingay! Barangay Sansa! Asa ba taga Sansa? Barangay 3-A! Mag-ingay ng Malacan! Bawal, bawal!
I didn't really expect na ganito kadami. I was only, looking at 1,000. Boy, this looks like 5,000 of them joining here this morning. Maraming salamat po.
Barangay Komunal!
Yes, protect the Filipino people.
pagsik ng 2nd Congressional District Contingent!
Dear Tatay Digong, kami imong mga anak nagpaabot sa imong pag-uli diri sa Davao. Umaabot ang galing namin. We are stronger and we will be louder for you, FPRRD. See you sa imong birthday po, Tay. We love you.
Barangay Dumoy!
Barangay Dumoy, mabuhay. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Barangay Pampanga!
Barangay Anglonggo.
Itaas ang banner para we can read, I am not a sub-Saharan for nothing!
Yes! Oh, yes!
From the beautiful people of Wakanda!
Yes!
I'm asking everyone, let's have a unified chant, okay? Bring Tatay Digong home in 3, 2, 1, go!
Bring Tatay Digong home!
Home! Bring Tatay Digong home! Bring Tatay Digong
Home! Bring Tatay Digong home! Bring Tatay Digong home!
We will say, President Duterte, and you say, bring him home!
Duterte!
Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
We now welcome Barangay Panakan! Standing strong for FPRRD! We are not Filipinos for nothing! Duterte! Bring him home! President Duterte!
Bring him home!
Ang dami pa!
Hindi pa natatapos!
Barangay Wilfredo Aquino!
We are not a Filipino for nothing. We stand with FPRRD. We protect the Filipino people. Bring back the President Duterte.
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
For President Duterte!
Bring him home!
Davao Women's Volleyball Alliance. No, we stand strong for our PRRD. Okay, sabay-sabay nating sisigaw. President Duterte, bringing home, bringing home. President Duterte,
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte,
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte,
Bring him home! Bring him home!
Barangay Ubalde, Barangay Ubalde,
Barangay Mahayag! Unawan District!
Nakaka-goosebumps watching these people showing the solid support for our former president. If only
If only Tatay
he can
Digong
see
can
what
see
we are
this.
doing.
Barangay Kabantian! Taas ang kamot!
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home! suporta.